I'm here today in Santa Monica, California at Woodlawn Cemetery to visit the grave of political activist and former California Senator Tom Hayden. I'll include the cemetery address down below this video. To find his final resting place, you enter through these gates on 14th Street. This is the second gate north of Pico Boulevard. Once inside the gates, you drive a short distance until you see a sign on the left-hand side of the street that says Eternal Meadow. And this is where he's laid to rest in an eco-friendly green burial garden. Instead of a headstone, Hayden has a memorial bench that you can see from the street. Tom Hayden first became famous in the 1960s and 70s as a Vietnam anti-war activist. Many people still remember him today as part of the Chicago 8. In 1968, Hayden, Abbie Hoffman, Jerry Rubin, and 5 others were arrested at the Democratic National Convention in Chicago for a protest that turned into a riot. Hayden is also remembered as the former husband of actress Jane Fonda, who was also a Vietnam anti-war activist at the time. In the 1990s, Hayden became a California senator to help effect change from inside the system. And whether you agreed with them or disagreed with them, Tom Hayden devoted his life trying to make the world a better place for all of us. If you like this video, please let me know by leaving a comment below, sharing it with a friend, and giving it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time.